Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. So it is day 19 of the Advent yarn calendar, and let me just say I'm doing this video on the fly. I gotta do it real quick and leave to go take Jody to work, which is an hour there, an hour home. And then I'm probably just gonna lay down and try to get a little bit of sleep before I have to take Dakota to work, and then by the time I get back from that and do a little bit around here or whatever I need to get done, it'll be time to leave to go get Jody, which is an hour there and an hour home. And then whatever we need to get done this evening, and then I have to go back and get Dakota tonight. So, needless to say, I've been pushing myself like really hard to get things done and just doing everything that I need to get done, like, you know, transporting people and stuff like that. And it's taken a toll on my health. I've had some health issues, and so anyway, I am needing sleep, needing pain relief, and just needing a day off. So anyway, I don't know when that's going to happen, or even if it could happen at the moment, but we are fixing to do our day 19 baggies, and I do not know when I will possibly even get this edited and uploaded. I doubt it will be today, so it's maybe a few days later or something. I don't know. Come on, Phoebe, you ready? You ready, girl? Let's see what's in your treat. Oh, did you get it? All right. No, it's still there. Okay, you know. Okay, Linda, your suggestion didn't work. I had said something about I didn't want to give her a treat every day. I hated doing that. And so Linda said to put her a piece of dog food in there. She got the dog food and she set it here on my desk. And I actually had 2 pieces in there because they're just tiny little pieces of dog food. She got the dog food out and she set it on my desk, and she's looking around for the treat. But anyway, I thought I would try that out. Linda had suggested it, and Phoebe's like, where's the treat? That's dog food. Okay, opening my day 19 bag. Oh, that's a pretty yarn. Very pretty. Oh, yes. See how pretty that is. Love those colors, and the main color, that pink. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Some Dove Intensive Cream. Intensive Cream. A little thing of Dove cream. I usually do need, I can't open it. I usually, oh, it's sealed anyway, so I usually do need some cream or moisturizer or something on my fingers in general, but as you know, with working with yarn, it makes it even worse. But I use coconut oil a lot on my hands and fingers and around my cuticles and stuff. I'll use coconut oil. Anyway, so I want to show you that I have my 19 little stockings up over here. And they're so cute, and I love all those Christmas cards. And I can't wait to put numbers on those stockings and use them next year. But they all look so cute, and the door is so cute. So once Christmas is over with, I think I'll just leave my door up a little bit longer and just prop it up here on the cabinet here behind me, just so I can admire my cards and stockings a little longer. Thank you to everyone who has sent a card. I appreciate that very much. You've brightened my days, and it's just very, meaningful to me, because y'all do mean a lot to me. But I'm going to get going here because we have got to run out and get Jody on to work. But I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you again as soon as I can.